ARI offers a broad base of custom sleepers to meet your needs. The Legacy Custom and the Legacy 2 Custom. The Legacy Custom is our flagship line of pure custom sleepers. You describe it and we'll design and build it to your specifications. Each Legacy Custom is automatically loaded with the Legacy package, which includes the standard features and extra amenities you will need for the long day on the road. The Legacy 2 Custom is our premium line of custom sleepers. The current lineup includes 17 luxuriously appointed floor plans comprised of 4 layouts offered in 7 lengths from 97 to 168 inches. And of course, this lineup is loaded with all the custom options you could ever want. The Legacy 2 is built with the same features and specifications as our Legacy Custom Sleeper. The difference is that the Legacy 2 is already designed for you and either in stock or ready for production. Since we can be more efficient in production, we pass the savings on to you. That's right, you should expect to pay at least 15 to 20% less for a Legacy 2 than you would pay for a Legacy Custom Sleeper. ARI has been designing and building the industry's best custom sleepers since 2001. We understand your business and build sleepers that will allow you to do your job at your very best. Every Legacy sleeper starts with expert engineering. Creating designs and floor plans that are useful and efficient is our goal. The quality of our craftsmanship is second to none. Care is taken throughout the construction process to create a sleeper that will provide years of carefree service. Stop in and check out our 3-inch fully insulated floor with a smooth fiberglass underbelly. Every detail receives our utmost attention. And when you need service, we're here for you.
We haven't really had anything wrong with that sleeper. I mean, a couple of little minor things, and
we find reasons to go there sometimes because we like to, and they always treat us great, you know, with just adding a couple little things, but they're great. They have excellent service.
ARI's customer service is great. When you call them, they're very prompt in answering all your questions. If there's anything that you need, they're terrific about getting you in and getting everything taken care of. We've been very, very happy with every aspect of their service, and all of their employees have been terrific to work with.
And getting your Legacy sleeper couldn't be any easier. You can pick up an ARI Legacy sleeper at many of your favorite dealerships. Just pick out the one you like and sign and drive. You can also have your Legacy sleeper manufactured just for you. With designs to fit almost any truck, we can even build a Legacy sleeper for the tractor that you currently own.